Welcome to my channel. It's a very super cold day today. The schools were closed. Right now it's 25 degrees below zero in St. Paul, Minnesota. This is my block in my neighborhood here. Very, very cold. I'll show you some icicle. Look at that. One long icicle hanging up my roof. There's another one up here. Couple. I don't know if you can see them right there. That looks beautiful though. It's pretty long. Say like 3 feet long. Listen to the birds singing. They're over there feeding. It's hard to see them, but they're over there. My neighbor feeds them. It's Tuesday. Sun is shining, but it's deceiving. You might think it's warm, but 20 degrees below zero right now. I hope you're taking care of yourself. You're staying warm. If you live in Minnesota, you're staying indoor. It's windy. Some ice is blowing. I love the sounds of nature, listening to the birds singing. It's a church. If you're not subscribed, smash that like button, subscribe, support the work. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much for your support. Continue watching our playlists. See people walking behind that tree over there. Airplanes flying. But I love that sound of birds chirping, singing. If you are subscribed, thank you so much for your support. Continue watching our videos. You can leave comments, you can give a like, and also watch the playlists. Help us get to 15,000 subscribers. Be safe out there. Be safe. It's my kiddo going to the library. Super cold, but he doesn't want to stay home. There's no school. School was canceled. So now he's going to go to the library. Very cold day. He's wearing shoes today, not clogs. As you can see. Alright, take care, subscribe again, and that's how you support us. Let's get to 15,000 subscribers. Beautiful day, but super cold in Minnesota. Peace out.